I have Rosalie helping me now for our first recipe. And this again is our Christmas recipe. So Rosalie, what is your favorite thing about Christmas?
I like spending time with my family and opening presents.
The best. That's my favorite thing too. So we are going to be making a fruit and veg Christmas tree.
Right.
So the first thing that we want to do is start cutting off the top of the strawberries, and I will work on the kiwi.
All right.
So when you're making your Christmas tree, we have a variety of fruits that we've selected today. So we have kiwis, we have strawberries, we have grapes, oranges, and we're also going to be using cantaloupe. So we'll be using this to create cutout stars later on. So the best thing about these recipes are you can modify them for the things that you really like to eat. So we want to, I think, have you peel these for us since you've prepared the strawberries. And I'll start putting these back in our tray here. Of all the fruit that we have, which is your favorite fruit?
Probably the kiwi.
Oh, okay. All right, and we'll just separate out the oranges after we've peeled them. The last fruit that we need to do is slicing our melon. Since the melon is round, what we want to do is we'll want to just cut off the side here so that it can flatten when we're cutting the rest of it on the board. All right, get that there. And now that we have the flat side, we can put it down on the board safely. And we want to cut about a little less than a ½ inch slices. Now, do you like melon? Do you like cantaloupe? Do you like watermelon?
Yes, I like pretty much all the melons.
Oh, great. And then, of course, you'll want to make sure that you clean out the insides for any of the seeds. Put our slices. So we'll clean out the guts here. We'll just put them in the middle with all of our other fruit. Okay, now that we've cleaned up all of our fruit, what we want to do is we want to use our star cookie cutters, and we want to get some stars out of the cantaloupe. I'll have you go through here. That looks perfect. All right, let's try and just do a couple more of the little stars, and then we'll do the big star for the star on top. We'll take this one right here. We'll put these to the side. What we'll do is I'll have you push that down there, and we'll do this one for our star that goes on the top of the tree.
It's juicy.
It is. I can smell this fruit. It's very fresh.
Yes.
Okay. So to create the Christmas tree, what you need is a foam cone, and you'll need some saran wrap, some toothpicks, and one large skewer. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the skewer and we're going to take the pointy end, put it in the top all the way till it reaches the bottom. And the reason that we're doing this is we need to have something that stabilizes the tree as well as provides us a place to put our star on the top. The next thing that we need to do is we want to take our saran wrap and we're going to wrap it around. Tuck it in there, nice. Wrap it to the top. Okay, and then I'll have you take one of these for me and just pin the top there, right there for me. And then I will just take the rest and rip it off. There we go. We have our cling wrap around our tree. Now what we need to do is we want to take the rest of our toothpicks and we want to start putting them in the tree because this is how we're going to hang our ornaments. So we don't need to have the whole tree covered, but we want to, start putting some at the base and just move up to the top here. And you can put them kind of sporadically throughout. Okay, so we'll take all of the fruit that we prepped earlier. The first thing we actually want to do is make the tree look green. So in order to do that, we're going to be using kale. It's easier to use kale than other lettuce because kale is crispy and it stays fresh longer. So we'll start taking our kale here and we'll just kind of put it on the tree, the bottom, and we just want to start kind of wrapping it around. So this is really to make it look like a Christmas tree. We want to do our best to cover up the color of the white of the foam and just do our best to wrap it around the tree up to the top. If we need more toothpicks, we can grab them and use them. Okay, now that we've covered our tree with kale, it's starting to look a little bit more like a tree, don't you think?
Yes.
It just needs some ornaments. So we'll start taking our fruit here and we'll just start assembling. When you're putting your fruit on, you want to make sure that you do your best to diversify and put it around the Christmas tree so that there's lots of different things showing. Okay, I think our tree looks good. It just needs the big star on top. All right, Rosalie. Fantastic. So we have our fruit and vegetable Christmas tree. Again, this can be really great as a centerpiece on your table for the holidays, and it can also be a standalone snack. Thank you so much, Rosalie. It was a pleasure having you in the kitchen with me today. And next up on Ruby's Recipes, Let's Celebrate, we will be making a patriotic American flag cake, sure to make your next 4th of July party a blast.